The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most groundbreaking additions to DJI's lineup, merging FPV drones and 360 degrees cameras into a single hybrid powerhouse. Designed for creators, filmmakers, action sports shooters, and VR content producers, this drone delivers immersive FPV flying alongside high-resolution 360 degrees cinematic capture, eliminating the need for multiple devices. Its standout feature is a dual camera system with two 1/1.1-inch sensors, providing crisp spherical footage, advanced stabilization, low light clarity, and full reframing freedom. The rotating camera gimbal can tilt up to 90 degrees, letting pilots switch between forward-facing FPV shots and full 360 degrees capture seamlessly. Enhanced obstacle detection and AI-powered processing make flying safer and more accessible for both beginners and skilled pilots. In terms of performance, the Avata 360 is expected to offer up to 8K 360 degrees video at 50 fps, 4K forward mode at 120 fps, 10-bit color depth, D-Log recording, horizon leveling, and stunning panoramic stills of up to 38 megapixels. The high-capacity battery supports 25 to 30 minutes of flight, while DJI's latest video transmission technology promises a stable low-latency feed up to 20 kilometers. This drone's ability to capture multiple perspectives in one flight, from forward, rear, top-down, or selfie-style angles, could redefine aerial filmmaking workflows, save battery, reduce retakes, and provide unmatched editing flexibility. From VR experiences and travel vlogs to event coverage and real estate tours, the Avata 360 is built for the next generation of immersive storytelling. With its innovative design and hybrid capabilities, the DJI Avata 360 could become one of the most influential content creation drones of its generation, a bold leap into the future of aerial media production.